Hey, Tim here. I'm doing this video because I do this stuff every morning, regardless how I feel. If I had a boohoo night or a bad day yesterday, or I get up on the wrong side of the couch, I think I do this. Now, I ain't much to look at, but you should see me. Should see me of damn about 6 months ago. After the wife passed, I hate to keep bringing that up. I lost like 13 pounds. I'm on my way back up. I gained like, I can't believe it. I gained about 5 pounds in the last 10 days on just started eating the right foods and stuff. You can look that up. I dang, what made me realize this is there ain't nobody gonna be there for you when you get fucking old. And I want to fight for my mobility and stuff because the things I've looked at is crazy. I mean, yeah, you got your family's all, yeah, oh man, we care for you, blah, blah, and love you and dad and this and that. But when it comes down to it, you're going to be on your own and you really don't want people trying to damn take care of you because you want to take care of yourself as long as possible. Now, I still smoke cigarettes and drink my coffee, but I mean, that stuff I guess just kill you quick. I don't know. I try to cut down and stuff. Anyways, back on the point. The big thing that I seen, like I say, I'm working out every day. I've been doing it for steady for at least 3 months. I know I've been working out for like 6 or so. Sometimes I'd skip a day or something, but now I don't. I don't skip nothing. The biggest thing was the balance. When I seen how far my balance was off, you just I mean, you put one foot in front of the other like that, and I was like, whoa, teary, but then close your dang eyes. And like I say, I start to fall off right there, boy. I can open my eyes and catch it. I'm a lot better than I was, boy. I was about falling over. And I'm telling you, I don't know, have a look at my feet. But you just put one foot in front of the other. Uh, and like I say, you don't want to have to be relying on everybody. Because I'm telling you, you're gonna be alone. Because I've seen, that's why, I mean, I see it. People just don't come around. People don't call. I mean, they do, but it's not, you know what I'm saying? They're not there for you. They're not over here cleaning your house or anything like that. And I mean, I had my son, Bo. When he's up north with this girl and stuff, and talking about the future. Well, he was telling my wife this. I think my kids will take care of me and, help me out with this and, give me money and stuff like that. And my wife was like, oh yeah, well, I've been waiting for a check from you. She said he just went silent, but there wasn't nothing going on. But like I say, I do this every day, regardless. And I mean, I might not even be doing it right, but working out and moving, and all I do is some dang free weights and stuff. And that's it. Two 15-pound things. I do it 3 times. I usually do some clean up stuff. I usually leave my dishes from the night before because that kind of gets me into moving and doing things and get it all cleaned up. This used to be the living room, by the way. But anyhow, I mean, it's important. Don't let yourself, they said your balance, your mind actually, or your body or whatever actually forgets how to balance things. That's why people are falling around and all that stuff. But I don't know, man. I just work out every day. Like I say, I ain't really. I mean, it used to be that this was caved in right here when I make a muscle, build my muscle up or whatever. But just every day, man, work on yourself. Like I say, I've had rough days and nights, and I hardly sleep. And I mean, that's gonna be your damn superpower when you get older, man. And like I found out your brain actually starts shrinking after 50. I'm like, damn. So I don't know, man. Like, share, subscribe, get something going. Man, life is too short just to be sitting around doing nothing. Like I say, get that ebook down below. It's free, bro. Get some real estate. Get some internet real estate, man. Start selling stuff. Get out of the 9 to 5. And I don't know. I mean, if you're older, you need to be dang doing this workout crap. Things are looking up all the time. I don't know, man. I just trying to help people out. I ain't trying to make no damn money at this channel. I mean, I'll take money anytime I can get it. I save money all the time I can get it. But I don't know, man. Like, share, subscribe. Stay sharp. Keep your nose clean. And oh no one. That's living, baby.
Attention, children. This is a phone. Soon you will all be given your very own. It will help you learn what to think. It will make you happy whenever you scroll. It will tell you what to purchase. It will show you everything in the world you should be afraid of, so you are always safe at home, in your bed, scrolling. Any questions?